Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today I have for you guys this summer inspired look. I was so inspired because it's getting so hot over here where I live, and I was like, you know what, I want to create a very nice summery look with some orange and some yellow. So I created this look that I have on my eyes right now. So if you guys are interested in this look, then you definitely have to keep watching. And if you guys like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys are ready to see this summer inspired look, then keep on watching. Okay, loves, I am a little bit under the weather, so bypass the sound of my voice, of course, but we are going to prime with the Milk Primer. This is a pore minimizing, so I just apply it where I have the larger pores, and I'm just going to pat it into my skin and then go in with the Nars Radiant Foundation. I haven't used this in a while because I've been trying out different foundations, and I'm all in love with it all over again. I'm currently obsessed. I just love the finish, and I think it's so perfect for the summertime. It just leaves your skin so glowy and dewy. Absolute favorite. Okay, next is going to be the eyes. We're going to use these Colourpop Cute AF palettes. I love this palette. I love the colors, the shades. They're so easy to blend out. And Colourpop is just so affordable. I did want to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder just to set the concealer down on my eyes before I jump into the palette. And then I'm going to use this a light brown shade, and I'm just going to use that as my crease color, and I'm just going to blend that color into my crease until I get it perfect. Of course. Then I'm going to jump into this nice bright orange, and I'm just going to start building that in to the crease right where I put the other crease color, and I'm just going to build them together and just give me that beautiful dark orangey shade. It looks so beautiful. I love how this look came out. My absolute favorite makeup look so far. Then I'm going to go in with some concealer, and I'm just going to carve out my eyes so I can apply a very bright yellow shade into my eyes. So I'm just cutting the crease right now with the Flower Beauty concealer and just getting it ready for that yellow shade so it can just pop and look more vibrant. It's just so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. Then we're going to jump into this bright yellow shade, and I'm just going to apply that right where I apply that concealer. The concealer helps brighten up that yellow, because if you don't use concealer, believe me guys, that yellow will not pop on the eyes. So I definitely recommend that you do put a concealer base in the bottom and then go in with this yellow shade, because it's just absolutely beautiful and super vibrant. So I love it. So next we're going to go in with the Flower Beauty concealer. Guys, I've been obsessed with this concealer. This was in my current favorites. Like, I absolutely love it. It just makes my under eyes look so flawless. If you haven't picked this up, I definitely recommend it. It is an awesome concealer, guys. Awesome. I love it. Then next I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Loose Powder to set down that concealer. I love this combo. It just makes my eyes look so good, and it makes it last all day. So I absolutely love the Flower Beauty and the Too Faced powder together. They're just my perfect combo. Then next I'm going to go in with this Becca liquid highlighter. I've been obsessed with this technique. If you guys want to see my new highlight technique, this is it right here. I use this liquid highlighter, and then I'm going to go in with my Milani loose radiant powder, and I go on top of that with that powder. Guys, it just gives me an absolute beautiful highlight. It gives you that highlight like within, like it's just so good. I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face using the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. Make sure everything's locked in place so nothing moves. And then we're gonna go in with the Milani Radiant powder, of course, and I'm gonna set down the highlights that I just put down on my face. Guys, this is my absolute go-to combo right now because it just gives me such a nice, beautiful highlight, and it's not like so overpowering, which is awesome. Then next we're gonna go back into the Colourpop palette and just do exactly what I did on my eyes and do it on my lower lash line. You know the deal, guys. Blend everything together so it looks more seamless, of course. Okay guys, so next is the Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to be using this shade in Deep Browns, I think. I think that's the name of it, and I love this bronzer. I love it. It smells like coconut. This is my new obsession. Absolutely love this bronzer. It's just so good, and it smells so good. Then I'm going to go in with my Benefit blush, and I'm just going to apply that to the cheekbones, you know, make it a little bit rosy. I love this blush, it's just awesome. And then I'm going to go back into the Milani powder again, just to give me a little bit more of a highlight look. You guys can see, look at how beautiful the highlight comes out. Like, it's just my favorite combo right now. Is just that those two products are awesome. I absolutely love it. Then I'm going to go in with my Mario Badescu and set my entire face and just fan it out because you definitely don't want any spots on your face from spraying. Then next I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild lip liner. I don't know the exact name, but I will leave it down below. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Anastasia lipstick in the shade Honey. And then on top of that, I also going to use the Rihanna lip gloss, the Universal lip gloss. And I love this combo. Guys, absolute favorite. It just makes your lips look so nice and juicy. Absolutely love it. And yeah, this is the finished completed look. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Love ya.